In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create training videos with NotebookLM for YouTube. By the end, you will know how to turn your existing notes and reference materials into a clear video overview you can use as the foundation for a training video on your channel. Start by opening NotebookLM. Make sure you are in the main workspace where you can create and manage notebooks. NotebookLM works best when you give it strong source material, so take a moment to gather what you want to teach. This could be a document, a set of training notes, a slide outline, or a few reliable web links that explain the topic clearly. Next, click the plus icon and choose Create New. This starts a fresh notebook dedicated to this training video. Keeping one notebook per video is a helpful habit because it keeps your sources and generated content organized and easy to revisit later. After that, you will see a Sources pop-up. This is where you add the information NotebookLM will use to generate your video overview. Upload your files directly, or paste in links to online resources. Try to use sources that are consistent with the lesson you want to deliver. If your sources are too broad or mixed, the resulting overview may feel scattered. If you want a more focused result, limit your sources to the exact material you want covered in the training. Once your sources are added, navigate to the Studio panel on the right side of the screen. The Studio area is where NotebookLM helps you create different kinds of outputs from your content. It is designed to turn your sources into structured, usable formats. In the Studio panel, click Video Overview. This option is built to summarize and structure information in a way that supports video creation, making it easier to move from research to a teachable format. Finally, click Generate. NotebookLM will process your sources and create the video overview based on what you provided. Give it a moment to complete. When it is ready, you can read through the overview and use it as your script foundation, adjusting wording to match your voice and the level of your audience. That covers everything you need to know.